Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to book cheap hotels in Dubai. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, open up any web browser or you can use the app and go to booking.com or search booking.com. And now I'm at the home screen of booking.com, and now you want to sign in or register, so I'm going to go ahead and quickly sign in. So say pause this video and get back to you. Alright, I've now successfully logged into booking.com. Booking.com is a great website to find very cheap hotels in pretty much any location. So I'm going to show you how to do this in Dubai. So where it says where are you going, type in Dubai and then put in your check-in date and check-out date and the information, how many adults, children, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on Dubai. Check-in date, I'm going to check in, say June the 1st, and then check out June the 10th, and 2 adults. And I'm going to go ahead and click on search. And now what this is going to do is search the cheapest hotels, but you can filter this. So to do that is you can filter by night, so from $10 to 800 AUD. I'm in Australia, so it's in AUD, but if you're in a different country, it will be in that currency you're currently living at. So I'm going to make it 10 to 250 AUD. And now what this is going to do is bring up a whole range of different hotels at that price or in between that price. And also you can filter this even more, so sort by top picks for long stays, but click into that. And then what you want to do, you can click on price lowest first. So this will bring up the absolute cheapest hotels that aren't necessarily going to be the best, but they're going to be super cheap. So 182 for this one, Hostel World Capsule Dubai, $189 for the Orange Hostel. And scroll down, they just get a bit more expensive. So yeah, that's how to find cheap hotels in Dubai using booking.com. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.